Good morning, everyone. I am Asa. Today we will take you through the different types of evacuation equipment that you would definitely need during emergencies. Employers, all organizations must take responsibility for evacuating all people safely from their premises. This means carrying out a fire safety risk assessment that incorporates an emergency evacuation plan for all people likely to be on the premises, including disabled people, children, lone workers, anyone. When an employer or service provider fails to make provision for the safe evacuation of disabled people from its premises, this may be viewed as discrimination. So, when do we need evacuation aid? In case of a fire, natural disasters, other life-threatening emergency scenarios, time is crucial. Hence, being equipped with an evacuation aid will save the lives of injured, frail, or disabled individuals who could not evacuate themselves alone. We will share with you the different types of evacuation equipment that would fit different emergency evacuation scenarios. All evacuation equipment is designed to do one thing: safely transport a person to a safe location within a small amount of time, because either there is a probability of collapse, example, during a fire or earthquake, or a casualty is injured and in need of immediate medical assistance. So, to do this effectively, you need to choose an evacuation equipment that suits your needs. Now, why did I say this? Yes, they all quickly transport a person from one point to another, but they are created with different features that match a specific type of evacuation route or a plan. So our first scenario is evacuation through stairs. So coming to the evacuation stair chair. Say in a high-rise setting, you cannot use the elevator during emergencies, which of course we cannot. So you have to take the stairs. This scenario is where an evacuation stair chair is best used. Now, we're going to be looking at this chair. Now, an evacuation stair chair lets you easily load a patient while he sits over here. We secure the patient with the straps. So we have got the three straps, which is the head strap. Then we have the body strap, and we also have the leg straps. So these are the three straps which secures a person while he is on the chair, gliding the person quickly to the nearest emergency exit. So when we are gliding it to the emergency exit, we tilt the chair, bring him down the stairs, and then later on we take him like a normal chair back to the ambulance or to a vehicle which is waiting for him. Now we're going to take a look at a video on how this chair is used while taking the person down the stairs in case of an emergency evacuation. Take a look at this video, please. Now with the evacuation stair chair sliding system, the responder can glide the chair effortlessly down the stairs with the sliding system that can transport the patient approximately 20 seconds per floor per level or level. It is a safe, easy, and most of all fast. You can transport the patient quickly across flat surfaces with the wheels and in the staircase with the sliding system. Other notable advantages are it is easy to store and saves space with its foldable feature. It is comfortable for both the responder and the patient. It is also fire retardant. If you want to test this chair, we can give you a live demo. Just email us at info@arascagroup.com. So the question is, what if the patient is unconscious or is having a back injury or a fracture and the stair chair is not applicable? No problem. We can use our next evacuation equipment, which is the evacuation mattress and sheet, which will be explained further by my colleague, Dinesh. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Danish. Today I am going to present here escape bus mattress. Using a mattress or a sheet is the best for patients who are suspected of having back injuries because bending the body of the patient in a sitting position, like in the evacuation stair chair, could worsen the injury. Hence, the mattress and the patient in a sitting position, like the evacuation stair chair, could worsen the injury. And hence, the mattress and sheet use drag technique to ensure that the patient is transported in a comfortable and safely aligned a body position. Here, we are showing the live demo of the escape bus mattress. My colleague, Mr. Balla, is coming. We'll show you the escape bus mattress. Here you can see the step by step. First step, second step, third step, fourth step, and fifth step. The first step we are opening. So in case then keep it out. So this is the position for the patient. This is the position. So, this is the. We need to remove this. Okay. Once the patient is keep it here. After that, the first step is we need to tighten it to belt. Making sure it's tightened carefully. The next step is this one will go this position. After will go this position. Okay. This is the third step. It will be go this position. Okay. Now patient is very comfortable. Now we are doing the evacuate the patient from the to the staircase. So this way we are doing. is the closing position. Before that, and it's keep it inside. It's closed. It's closed. You have seen in this video, the responder can easily drag the patient of up to 200 kg to 200 kg or 440 lbs. This can be done even over a perforated staircase without worries of tearing, because not only that, it is made with fabric that smoothly slides on surface, but its bottom fabric is also made with world's strongest fabric, dyneema, which is 15 times stronger than steel. Here is test conducted by Teflon. We will show you the video.
Person in need. On the stairs, one person stands at the feet side and one at the head side. Use the straps to maneuver through the flight of stairs. Press the mattress to your leg to slow down the SK Plus and keep one hand on the banister. If needed, you can also do it by yourself.
Ik ben nou toch wel heel erg benieuwd hoe dat de onderkant eruit gaat zien. Ander leuk dingetje is dat het bijna 50% goedkoper is dan een evacuatiestoel. Ik ga nu heel even kleiner uithalen. Volgens mij gaat het nog goed met haar. Dan gaan we zo meteen heel even de onderkant bekijken. Om te kijken hoe dat die eruit ziet. En zoals je kunt zien, hij is niet beschadigd.
Mattress is extremely durable and comfortable. It is stored which is wall-mounted fabric cover, which is requires only a small space in your lobby or staircase area. We will show you the photos. The Escape Plus also have a different variants. It's Escape Kids, which can evacuate up to 4 infants. The Escape Youth for kids and smaller patients, and Escape Plus Bariatric for oversized patients, for bariatric or plus sized patients. And the inflatable Escape Plus that is designed for more vulnerable patients. We will show you the photos of Escape Plus variants. While for bedridden patient, the escape pod comes in handy. To elaborate this evacuation mat, here my colleague Mr. Mohammed will explain to you. I am sharing to this area to Mr. Mohammed. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Muhammad. Yalla, yalla, yalla.
Hello everyone, I am Mohammed. Thank you so much for your time. The escape pod lets you evacuate the bedridden individual without moving or transforming the patient to evacuation mat. This reduces the stress to responders and the time consumption. This is because the escape pod is fixed under the mattress of the patient, and when emergency occurs, the responder can just activate the escape pod. Now we'll show you the video for the escape pod budget model and how to install it and how to use it. Let's watch.
The escape pod budget model is permanently placed on the bed frame. With 4 strap adjusters, you can attach the escape pod to the bed mattress. To activate the escape pod, lift up the mattress. Place your finger in the loop of the strap and release it from the tunnel by pulling it towards you. Place the cross straps over the patient. Now, go to the other side of the bed and release the metal rings. Place the cross straps through the metal rings and firmly fixate using the double-sided hook and loop fasteners. Now, release the pulling strap from the strap pockets on the feet end. Now turn the patient on the bed frame and slide the mattress to the floor. In case of head or neck injuries, you can also do it the other way around using the strap on the head end.
Thank you for watching. As you can see in the video, the responder can use the pulling straps from the feet end and then drag the patient to the safety across the stairs or any rough surface, same as the Escape Plus evacuation mattress. The Escape pod is just like the Escape Plus, but it's fixed under the bed, which makes the leaving of the bedridden patients hassle-free. Same as the Escape Plus, the responder will just drag the patient to safety across the stairs or any rough surface. The Escape pod comes in different variants. The standard model and the bariatric model, which are both more secure since it completely covers the patient's body with the fire retardant material called Regaria CS polystyrene. Now we'll go and check how many variants for the escape pod. Let's go for the variants. As you can see in photos, the escape pod budget model shown how to install it easily under the bed, then secure the patients by the straps. As it is budget model, it comes as straps only, so to give the economic solution for evacuation. And the Escape Plus and Escape pod coming also to help in completing your evacuation solution in addition to the other product we saw. For inquiries and free demo of Escape pod and Escape Plus evacuation mattress and mat, you may email us at info@arascagroup.com. Now we'll move on the more portable type of evacuation mask. With that, here is my next presenter, my colleague Navid, will present to you the next part of our complete evacuation solution.
Hi, good morning. My name is Naveed. As my colleagues, they showed you about this all evacuation equipment. So now we will move on the Albert mat evacuation mat. This is specially made for evacuation at confined space. And the Albert mat is extremely handy that let the responder carry it anywhere fast and simple to the just in a second. And I'll show you, as you can see here, that this is very easy. And then once you will, in case of emergency, you will just put it, the straps on, and when you will put the mattress next to the patient, and you will fold. You will fold this next to the patient, and the straps will be out like that. So once you will roll up the patient on the mattress, you will stretch the straps, and this will automatically it will come out. So now the patient will be on the top. So this is the thermal blanket which we will put it on the patient, and it will save the patient from the heat. And then we will put the straps on. It will be like that, and this is the feet area, and then we will put the strap, and the patient will be secure. So we will fold it on it like that. So then the patient is all secure, and we can move towards the staircase. And this is the polypron board, which is which we support for the moving on the stair. And this is a very useful, and this is the insulator, actually the material that will support to the patient for the comfortable. So all of the injuries fail, and the unconscious patient with a weight of 360 kg cross through surface, as well as the staircase. So now we will play the video for the Albert mat, so you can see how it works.
Done. The handles on the side of the body are the head straps, then be used to safely drag the patient to the nearest emergency exit. Be it a staircase or any surface, the Albert mat can glide over easily, but still ensuring the patient's safety with its heat-resistant material. The base that is made with polypropylene board, which acts as an insulator with air pockets that gives cushioning for enhanced comfort. The Albert mat can carry up to 360.
Yes, so as you can see in the video, that it is very easy to move the patient from the stairs. So now we will talk about this a pediatric variant of this is the Evacuation baby evacuation system. In that, you can see, it will show you the photos for that in the, yeah. So if you can see there, this in the picture, you can see this is, we can use it for the pediatric, for the evacuation. In this we have in the same Albert mat, which is also carried on a roll down. Since infants are a lot similar than adults, the Evacuation by 3ET, it can be fit up to 12 infants in the evacuation mat. It has a 50 mm foam padding of the infant comfort and the durable plastic base that ensure easily sliding over most surface. The responder would simply put the babies inside the compartment of the mat and carefully slide the babies to the safety. The Evacuation is also flame retardant and can be mounted on the wall. Other variants of 3ETs as infant carriers are Evac-Pod and then Evac-Slings, which both provide the secure handling of the infant, so the responder can move her hands freely for a faster evacuation. So as you can see in the photos, and also that you can use the with the oxygen cylinder with that one also. So this is how you can carry the infant and you can do the evacuation. For these portable evacuation mats are great choice if you are looking for a comfort and handy type of evacuation aid. For the info and free demo, please send us the email on info@arascagroup.com. So you can call us anytime. We are available for the demo anytime. So now let us move on the evacuation sling. Here's my colleague Muhammad. He will show you how to use the sling and how it will work.
Good morning again. It's me, Mohammed. Okay, now, as we said at the beginning of the presentation, that we are giving a complete solution. So now I have evacuation scenario, but I have a patient cannot move from the wheelchair to evacuation chair. So now we are going to present the promo. Using the evacuation slings or transport slings are crucial for patients who are disabled or immobile. Say, for example, the patient on the wheelchair must be transferred to the evacuation stair chair quickly without the risk of causing the injury to the patient. A sling would be the handy solution. Pro-mobile slings are widely used in airports, theaters, schools, ambulance, hospitals, etc. It is uniquely designed to carry an individual in seated position. It means he is sitting and I want to move him to evacuation equipment to go through the stairs. So it can carry the individual in seated position and be transferred to the desired location without hassle. It is a fully patient comfort and dignity. Now we will show you the live demo of transforming the patients from any medical evacuation or wheelchair, from any chair to evacuation chair. So let's have that live demo. Okay, so now I have the patient on this taxi chair. So the patient cannot move to evacuation chair. So I have the evacuation chair. So this is the promo, which is the sling, in which I'm going to use to transfer the patient from the chair, or wheelchair, whatever chair, to the evacuation chair or to another part, like any sitting area. So first, I will remove the handles. I'll just put the promo slightly behind the patient, back slightly, I can put it. Then it comes with colors. So the handles, blue and yellow. So I have to give this to the second part or the second responder, and the second responder will give me the other one, and I will connect it with this handle. So slightly I will put it to that side, and then this will go in that way, and this will come in this way. Then I will secure it in the handle tightly, and then from these handles, I can take the patient easily to the second chair. Can we move him? So now we will bring the evacuation chair. As we said, we have the chair, wheelchair, which cannot go through the stairs. And I have the evacuation chair. So we'll slightly take the patient, 1, 2, 3, and put him in the evacuation chair and go to the stairs after securing him with the straps, as we said. So now that chair completely finished. So I can take the patient after securing him with the straps to the evacuation exit and go through to the down and for the ambulance or wherever evacuation or assembly points. Okay, so leave the patient with me for some time. So the promo evacuation sling is transferring and or repositioning the sling to help disabled or individuals to transfer from wheelchair to just about anywhere. It is easy and quickly to use. Carry the slings toward the location of the patient. If patient is sitting on the ground or wheelchair, responder will simply place the slings behind the back, push it down to the V shape, cut in near and greater V shape. We will exchange it in two positions. So the promo needs two individuals for successful transfer. It can be used for widely or variety of situations where voice is not accessible. Promo sling have different variants: the airport sling, standard child and adult sling, ambulance patient transfer kit, and more. As we said, it comes in kits. You can select what exactly you require. Now I will show you the variants of the scape for the promo sling. In the photos, you can see that how it is simple, compatible, and you can use it in different situations or transferring the patient from chair, evacuation chair, or from evacuation chair again to the ambulance bed. So you can move through the promo sling the patient from different sitting area to another sitting area. To get a close look at the promo slings, just email us at info@arascagroup.com for free demonstration. Now we hope you have an idea of what evacuation equipment will best fit your needs. It is this evacuation stair chair, mattresses, portable mats, slings, or the bed fixed mats, which is escape pod. Just remember, if you need any help, ARASCA is here to provide you the best solution and guide you all the way. So let us now move on to our question and answer portion with my colleague Isa, and hope we will answer all your questions, and we will be ready to give you a live demonstration at your site. Just email us at info@arascagroup.com. Thank you for your time.
Right, we have covered up all the major evacuation equipment, what is going to be required for any kind of business. So if there's any questions that anyone would like to ask, we will be more than happy to answer it while we are online. You could type in your questions at the bottom so that we can read and answer it accordingly. If anyone has any questions, please type in for us to answer. Yes, there's no questions that anyone has, which means we have done a good job by explaining things to you all. So thank you so much for attending this webinar, and we will see you soon with a different topic and a different way of looking at other kind of equipment, which is going to be of use to you. Thank you once again for your time, and you have a wonderful day ahead and a lovely weekend ahead. Thank you.